Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install the Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender Shopify app. All right, let's begin. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Apps. This section is used to manage and install tools that improve your store functionality. At the top of the Apps page, use the search bar and type Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender. From the search results, select the Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender app. This will open the app's details page, where you can review its features, benefits, and customer feedback. Once you are ready to proceed, click the Install button to start the installation process. During installation, the app will request permission to access your store data, including products. These permissions are required to generate accurate size charts and recommendations. Review the permissions and approve them to continue. After installation, the app will open automatically. You will be taken to the Setup dashboard where you can create custom size charts, enter product measurements, and enable size recommendations for your products. Spend some time adjusting these settings to match your store offerings. Accurate size information helps customers choose the right fit and reduces return rates. So that's basically how you can install the Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender Shopify app. That's it for this video. Thanks.